Hi, it's Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, and today we're going to learn how to pair an IROAD FX2 to an iPhone. So, first things first, we're going to open up the new app. The new app is the IROAD FX2 app, the X Viewer app. We're going to connect. We're going to select our unit, and then we're going to hit the Wi-Fi button.
Standby mode for registration.
Hit next. Okay, go to Wi-Fi and choose from the network. So we're going to go to Wi-Fi. We're going to find the IROAD FX2 and enter in the password. QWERTYUIOP and hit join. So we're joined. We're going to go back to the app.
Registration complete.
And just like that, we're connected.